Thank you for joining this lesson. We continue with the revision of the Kcse 2023 number 10. The following table shows monthly income tax rates of a certain year. Then we have the monthly income in Kenya shillings as shown there, and the tax rates in percentages in each Kenya shilling as shown. Then we are told that in that year, a monthly relief of 2400 was allowed. The net tax of Lesianto's monthly income was 1500 Kenya shillings. Calculate Lesianto's monthly income. So before we go to Lesianto's monthly income, we should also get, first of all, his gross tax. Remember, he was given a relief monthly that enabled him to have a net tax or to pay a net tax of 1,500. Therefore, we can first of all get what we call the gross tax, which is gotten by when we take the net tax and we add back. This is going to give us 3900, 3,900 Kenya shillings as the gross tax, which could have come from Lesianto. But now we have to see the amount that should be taxed until we get 3900. So from the first slab of tax, we're going to get a tax of, we have in that bracket 24,000 taxed at the rate of 10%. So this is going to be 2,400. Yeah, when we cancel those two zeros like that. In the next slab, which is this second slab, we're going to have, when we take 32,333, we subtract whatever is up there. 32,333 minus 24,000. This is giving us 8333. So 8333, that is 8,333. This is what will be taxed at the rate of 25%. And this is going to give us a 2,083.25. When we add up this tax, we realize that we are beyond 3,900. Therefore, this means now in the second slab, we are not taxing the whole amount there. So we cancel like that. And now we tell ourselves that the last taxed amount lies within this bracket. This is the second slab now. We redo it. That is where the last taxation is going to be done. Then it should give us a certain tax, which when we add to 2400, then we are supposed to get 3900. Therefore, a certain amount should be added to 2400 so that we get a total tax of 39,000. Because if we tax the whole amount in that bracket, we're going to go beyond the tax for Lesianto. Therefore, the amount here is going to be 1500. Therefore, there is a certain amount which is taxed at the rate of 25% to give us 1500. So a certain amount which is not known, X, at the rate of 25% should give us 1,500. So that when we add up the two taxes, now we can get our 3900. Therefore, now we need to say to remain with x, we multiply by 100 over 25. So 1500 times 100 out of 25. This is a 6,000. This is a 6,000. So in the second slab now, it is only 6,000. It is only 6,000 that got taxed there. So total income, or rather, the monthly income, or rather is taxable income, is going to be, in the first bracket we tax 24,000, and in the second bracket 6,000. Therefore, it means this guy's taxable income is equal to 30,000 Kenya shillings. So that is how we obtain the amount. In the next case, number 11, we are talking about a transformation matrix T, 10 K0 maps P onto P prime. Then point Q is transformed under the same matrix. Find the coordinates of Q prime, the coordinates of Q. Therefore, because there is a certain element which is not known inside this matrix, we can start by knowing it by saying when we take a matrix and we multiply by an object, we should get the image. So we will say 1, 0, K, 0. When this is multiplied by P, which is 2, 3, we write it now as a column vector, we should get P prime, which is 210. Therefore, it's easy now to get our T. And we can say, using the elements on the lower side of the matrices, when K is multiplied by 2, then we add 0 by 3. 2 by K plus 0 by 3, we should get 10. And this means the value of 2K equals to 10, meaning that the value of K equals to 5. Therefore, the matrix can now be written as 0, 1, then 5, 0. Now with this matrix, we can transform Q, which is negative 4, 4, so that we may get Q prime. So when we multiply this, we going to have 1 by negative 4 and 0 by 4. So this becomes negative 4, because it's 1 times negative 4 plus 0 by 4. Then the lower element is going to be 5 by negative 4 plus 0 by 4. So 5 goes with negative 4 plus 0 by 4. This is going to be negative 20 plus 0. So it remains negative 20. So the coordinates of Q prime are going to be negative 4, negative 20. Thank you so much for following.